The US dollar is strengthening against the Swiss franc as the two countries are having some trade dispute, and right now the pair is at 0.8096, which is very close to 0.8100 level. If you remember in the previous video, we had a very big red candle with huge amounts of downward momentum towards 0.8000 level. We did reach our first target, which was 0.8000. But after that, we had a big red candle again towards 0.7920 level. Right now, we have a small green candle, but overall the trend is still down. So what's happening here is that the United States and Switzerland are having some issues regarding the trade dispute. The US has threatened Switzerland to impose tariffs on Swiss cheese imports unless they reach a new trade deal. In response, the Swiss government has decided to take legal action against the United States at the World Trade Organization. They believe that the US actions are unfair and they will fight it through the proper channels. So basically, the US is saying, hey, we want a new trade deal with Switzerland or else we're going to put tariffs on your cheese. And Switzerland is like, okay, fine, we'll just sue you. So this whole trade tension is causing the USD to strengthen against the Swiss franc because the market is expecting some positive outcome for the US dollar from this trade dispute. Now, personally, I don't think the US will win this case because they've already lost similar cases against the European Union and China. The US wanted to put tariffs on EU and Chinese steel, but they couldn't do it because it would violate the rules of the World Trade Organization. The same thing is going to happen with Switzerland. The US won't be able to put tariffs on Swiss cheese because it would violate the rules of the WTO. So I don't think this trade dispute will have any lasting effect on the USD-CHF pair. But in the short term, it may cause some upward movement towards 0.8100 level. But overall, the trend is still down, and I'm expecting the pair to go down towards 0.7920 level. Now, if you are a day trader and you want to take advantage of this short-term upward movement, you can go ahead and enter a buy position here. But if you are a long-term investor, you should not be affected by this short-term volatility. Just hold your long positions and wait for the pair to go up. In the long term, I am bullish on the USD-CHF pair, and I am expecting it to reach 1 per thousand level in the next few months. So that's my update for today. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.